Have you ever looked into the night sky and wondered, what is out there? Well, the multiverse theory might just be able to answer your question.
The multiverse theory states that there may be an infinite number of universes that encompass the entirety of space, time, matter, and energy. The scientific basis for the multiverse theory arose from the study of cosmological forces. For instance, in black holes, there's this thing called singularity, which is a point at which all physical laws cease and it becomes impossible to predict physical behavior. Once you surpass this point, there could be an entirely new set of physical laws that are slightly different than the ones we're familiar with, or a completely different universe altogether. There are three multiverse models. Type 1 involves bubble universes, or baby black hole universes. This model suggests that there could be other parts of the universe that we'll never see because of their distance or because they're inside of black holes. For example, if our universe consists of this circle of sand and another universe consists of this circle of sand, the lack of overlap allows each universe to exist independently with no knowledge of the other. Type 2 discusses extra dimensions. Since the mathematics of string theory cannot accurately predict the right number of dimensions in our universe, it's possible that we are just a three-dimensional world existing in a larger super-universe containing 9 spatial dimensions.
Type 3 describes the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Physicists still don't fully understand the collapse of wave function in quantum mechanics, and the many worlds hypothesis attempts to explain that process by proposing that every possible alternate timeline for the universe is real and continuously occurring in an ever-branching way.
The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics consists of 2 parts, a mathematical equation and a prescription which sets up correspondence between the quantum state of the universe and our experiences. The mathematical theory can be summarized by the Schrödinger equation, which is the fundamental equation of quantum mechanics. It describes the form of the probability waves that govern the motion of small particles and specifies how external influences alter those waves. With the multiverse, there could be infinite pockets of the universe independently expanding, with no knowledge of and no way of interacting with any of the other pockets. Imagine you're a ship at sea looking at the horizon. As far as you know, that's your entire universe. Now imagine another ship doing the exact same thing on a different horizon. The only way the ships would be able to see each other is if somehow the horizons can overlap. While the multiverse hypotheses have not been experimentally proven, that doesn't mean that we can't test them. Since experimentalists are becoming increasingly able to manipulate quantum mechanical systems to bridge the gap between the quantum realm and our everyday experiences, maybe even you can test the claims of quantum mechanics and change what we know about the physics of the multiverse.